Welcome to Scrum 101. In this lesson, we will explore the fundamentals of Scrum and its importance in Agile project management. Scrum is a framework designed to help teams manage complex projects effectively. It emphasizes collaboration and iterative progress, making it ideal for Agile environments. As Ken Schwaber states, Scrum is a framework rather than a strict methodology. This flexibility allows teams to adapt and thrive in dynamic environments. In Scrum, there are three key roles: the Scrum Master, the Product Owner, and the Development Team. Each role plays a crucial part in delivering successful outcomes. Scrum includes essential artifacts like the product backlog and sprint backlog. These artifacts help maintain clarity and focus throughout the project lifecycle. Scrum consists of several key events, including sprint planning, daily stand-ups, sprint reviews, and retrospectives. These events foster communication and continuous improvement. Using Scrum provides numerous benefits, including flexibility and enhanced collaboration among team members. These advantages are vital for success in Agile project management. Now that you have a solid understanding of Scrum, we encourage you to explore the next lesson. Building on these concepts will enhance your Agile project management skills.